Today, we're diving into the fascinating journey of making the modern flute. Have you ever wondered how this iconic instrument came to be? Well, you're in for a treat as we explore the history, craftsmanship, and artistry behind the creation of the modern flute. The story of the modern flute begins centuries ago, with its roots tracing back to ancient civilizations. However, the flute as we know it today took shape in the 19th century, thanks to the innovative minds and skilled hands of instrument makers and musicians. One of the key figures in the evolution of the flute was Theobald Bam, a German flute maker and musician who revolutionized the instrument's design in the mid-19th century. Bam's innovative key system and cylindrical bore design paved the way for the modern flute we see and hear in orchestras and ensembles around the world. The process of making a modern flute is a meticulous and intricate craft that requires precision, skill, and a deep understanding of acoustics. From selecting the finest materials, such as sterling silver or gold, to shaping and soldering the key mechanisms, every step in the flute-making process contributes to the instrument's tone, playability, and overall quality. In this video, we'll take you behind the scenes into a flute maker's workshop, where you'll witness firsthand the artistry and dedication that goes into crafting a modern flute. You'll learn about the different parts of the flute, from the head joint to the foot joint, and how each component contributes to the instrument's unique sound and character. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a budding musician, or simply curious about the world of instrument making, this video will provide you with valuable insights into the craftsmanship and artistry behind the modern flute. By the end of this journey, you'll have a newfound appreciation for the skill and passion that goes into creating one of the most beloved instruments in the classical music world. So sit back, relax, and join us on this immersive exploration of the journey of making the modern flute. Get ready to be inspired and amazed by the beauty and complexity of this timeless instrument. Let's dive in. In the world of music, the modern flute stands as a testament to centuries of innovation and craftsmanship. But how did this elegant instrument come to be? Let's take a journey back in time to uncover the fascinating evolution of the flute. The history of the flute can be traced back to ancient civilizations, where early versions of the instrument were crafted from materials like bone and wood. Over time, the flute underwent numerous transformations, with key developments occurring during the Baroque and Classical periods in Europe. Fast forward to the 19th century, a pivotal moment in the flute's history. It was during this time that Theobald Bam, a visionary flute maker and musician from Germany, introduced revolutionary changes to the instrument's design. By reimagining the key system and bore structure, Bam laid the foundation for the modern flute we know today. Crafting a modern flute is no easy feat. It requires a delicate balance of artistry and technical precision. From selecting the finest materials, such as sterling silver or gold, to meticulously shaping and assembling each component, flute makers face a myriad of challenges in bringing this intricate instrument to life. One of the key obstacles in flute making is achieving the perfect balance of tone and playability. Each flute must be meticulously tuned and adjusted to ensure a harmonious sound across all registers. Additionally, the intricate key mechanisms must be precisely aligned to guarantee smooth and responsive playability for the musician. Despite these challenges, the journey of making the modern flute also presents exciting opportunities for innovation and creativity. Flute makers continually push the boundaries of design and craftsmanship, experimenting with new materials and techniques to enhance the instrument's performance and aesthetics. Today, skilled artisans and craftsmen around the world carry on the tradition of flute making, blending time-honored techniques with modern advancements to create instruments of unparalleled beauty and quality. The journey of making the modern flute is a testament to the enduring legacy of craftsmanship and artistry in the world of music. As we delve deeper into the world of flute making, we'll uncover the intricate processes and techniques that bring this beloved instrument to life. Join us on this captivating journey as we explore the challenges, opportunities, and sheer artistry behind the creation of the modern flute. Key points. 1. Craftsmanship and innovation. The journey of making the modern flute is a blend of traditional craftsmanship and innovative design. Skilled artisans meticulously shape and assemble each component of the flute, from the head joint to the foot joint, using time-honored techniques passed down through generations. 2. Materials. Matter. The choice of materials plays a crucial role in shaping the sound and character of the flute. High-quality metals like sterling silver and gold are often used for their tonal richness and durability. The selection of materials is a critical decision that impacts the overall quality of the instrument. 3. Precision and detail. Flute making requires precision and attention to detail at every stage of the process. From soldering key mechanisms to fine-tuning the instrument's intonation, every step is carefully executed to ensure the flute performs at its best. 4. Acoustics and design. The design of the flute is intricately linked to its acoustics. The shape of the bore, the placement of tone holes, and the key system all contribute to the instrument's tone quality and playability. Flute makers must have a deep understanding of acoustics to create a flute that produces a clear, resonant sound. 5. Customization and personalization. Many flute makers offer customization options to musicians, allowing them to tailor the instrument to their preferences. From choosing different head joint styles to selecting unique engraving designs, musicians can personalize their flute to reflect their individual style and sound. 6. Collaboration with musicians. Flute makers often collaborate closely with professional musicians to develop and refine their instruments. Feedback from musicians helps flute makers improve the playability and responsiveness of the flute, ensuring it meets the demands of performers at all levels. 7. Global influence. The journey of making the modern flute is a global endeavor, with skilled artisans and workshops located around the world. Each region brings its own unique craftsmanship and artistic flair to the creation of flutes, contributing to the diversity and richness of the instrument. 8. Legacy and tradition. The art of flute making has a rich history and tradition that continues to thrive in the modern era. By honoring the legacy of past masters and embracing new technologies, flute makers uphold a tradition of excellence that spans centuries. By understanding the craftsmanship, materials, precision, acoustics, customization, collaboration, global influence, and legacy behind the journey of making the modern flute, we gain a deeper appreciation for the artistry and dedication that goes into creating this timeless instrument. Exploration and insights. When we delve into the journey of making the modern flute, we uncover a world of complexity and artistry that extends far beyond the surface. Let's explore different aspects and perspectives that shed light on the intricate process of crafting this beloved instrument. One key aspect to consider is the balance between tradition and innovation in flute making. While traditional craftsmanship forms the foundation of flute making, modern advancements in materials and technology have opened up new possibilities for instrument design. How can flute makers strike a balance between honoring tradition and embracing innovation to create instruments that resonate with both the past and the future? Another perspective to consider is the environmental impact of flute making. The use of precious metals like silver and gold in flute construction raises questions about sustainability and ethical sourcing. How can flute makers address these concerns and adopt more eco-friendly practices without compromising the quality and performance of the instrument? Furthermore, the cultural and regional influences on flute making offer a fascinating lens through which to view the diversity of flute craftsmanship around the world. From the intricate filigree work of French flute makers to the sleek minimalist designs of Japanese artisans, each region brings its own unique aesthetic and craftsmanship to the creation of flutes. How do these cultural influences shape the design and sound of the modern flute? And what can we learn from embracing a global perspective on instrument making? Additionally, the role of technology in modern flute making presents both opportunities and challenges for artisans. Advanced manufacturing techniques, such as 3D printing and computer-aided design, have revolutionized the production process, allowing for greater precision and efficiency. However, some argue that these technologies may detract from the handcrafted artistry and individuality that define traditional flute making. How can flute makers harness the power of technology while preserving the human touch and craftsmanship that make each flute unique? As we navigate these different aspects and perspectives on the journey of making the modern flute, we invite you to share your thoughts and insights. What aspects of flute making resonate most with you? How do you envision the future of flute craftsmanship in an ever-evolving musical landscape? Join the conversation and let's explore the multifaceted world of flute making together. In conclusion, the journey of making the modern flute is a captivating blend of artistry, craftsmanship, and innovation that spans centuries and continents. From the traditional techniques passed down through generations to the cutting-edge advancements in materials and technology, flute making is a testament to the dedication and passion of skilled artisans around the world. Throughout this video, we've explored the intricate process of crafting a modern flute, from selecting the finest materials to fine-tuning the instrument for optimal playability and tone quality. We've delved into the balance between tradition and innovation, the environmental considerations in flute making, the cultural influences on design, and the role of technology in shaping the future of flute craftsmanship. As you reflect on the insights shared in this video, remember the key takeaways. 1. Craftsmanship and innovation are at the heart of flute making, blending tradition with modern advancements to create instruments of unparalleled beauty and quality. 2. The choice of materials, precision in construction, and attention to detail all contribute to the unique sound and character of each flute. 3. Cultural and regional influences shape the design and aesthetics of flutes, adding a rich tapestry of diversity to the world of instrument making. 4. Embracing technology while preserving the artistry of handcrafted flute making presents both challenges and opportunities for artisans in the industry. We hope this exploration of the journey of making the modern flute has inspired you to appreciate the art and craftsmanship behind this timeless instrument. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a budding musician, or simply curious about the world of instrument making, we invite you to continue your journey with us by subscribing to the Music Educator YouTube channel, liking this video, sharing it with others, and exploring more content on flute making and music on our channel or website. Thank you for joining us on this immersive exploration of the modern flute. Keep the conversation going, share your thoughts and experiences, and let's continue to celebrate the artistry and beauty of flute making together. Until next time, happy exploring and creating music.